In this final segment of sunset locations, we're going to graph all of the different locations that we've identified. We can see here for various latitudes what the sunset location looks like at the December solstice and the June solstice. Now let's take a look at the graph. Here we've attempted to make a graph that shows the sunset locations at various times of the year for various latitudes. Let me explain how it works. Everything is degrees. The vertical are in degrees and the horizontal is in degrees. So let's start with the vertical lines. The vertical lines represent the latitudes. So we start here at the equator. Now watch the yellow line. There's the Tropic of Cancer. There's the 43 degrees north where the photos were taken. 56 degrees north is the place where we start to get closer to the southern and northern horizon than the western horizon at sunset, and then on up to the Arctic Circle. What we can do to time like so notice that the months are being displayed on the left, going up from December till June. Now for the horizontal lines, those represent the degrees to the left or the right of the observer where the sunset takes place. So let me explain. Here we are in winter, so in winter it would be the red angle that we would be looking at. So as we go across the different latitudes, at the equator, you recall that it's 23.44 degrees. At the Tropic of Cancer, you can see that it is less than 30 degrees. Once we get to 43 degrees north, it's more than 30 degrees in December at the solstice. Notice that it's right on 45 degrees at 56 degrees north, and we were about 77 degrees in the Arctic. So that's what the graph looks like. Now once we get to spring, so we will move up to spring. So there's December, January, and March. Now watch how it's starting to flatten out. In fact, on the solstice, everything lines up because everybody is having their sunset in the due west, and then we go on to the north. So that's how the graph works. I think it's a pretty neat graph, and I hope you enjoyed that. Well, thanks for watching, and do check out the playlist if you'd like to see the other videos. Bye for now.